My name's Sue Grant from Berthon, and here we are with Bill and me, Oyster 82, at the Palmer Boat Show. Bill and Me is from 2009. She's hull number 12 of the Oyster 82 series. We're just going to hop on board at the Palmer Boat Show. She's got hydraulic retractable passerelle, which is very cool, and onto the large back deck with gin and tonic seats. Teak deck is original, but it's looking absolutely fantastic for the age of the boat. Lumar winches, all self-tailors. Quite a lot of them are electric, the primaries, secondaries, halyard lifts. Wide side decks, boarding gates each side. Up into the foredeck. She holds her dinghy on the foredeck with lovely stainless steel supports. Comes off the deck with a single halyard, two-person job, very easy to do. And then up to the bow, Lumar capstan, stainless steel 66 kg CQR anchor with 110 metres of stainless steel chain. The rig is by Hall, it's fully battened, triple spreader, aerofoil spreaders, Reckman hydraulic furling, fully battened mainsail. She's got arc and switch track, so it's very easy to deal with the main, bringing it down. And then on the foredeck, this dinghy is a Sir ST400. The Yamaha is a 40 horsepower, central console from 2023. The rig was down in 22-23, new rod, new paint, looking at a carbon spinnaker pole, and the two front sails are from Saunders and they're also new. Big refit when this owner bought her, set up for family cruising in the Mediterranean and further afield. Deck saloon, this is a proper deck saloon from Oyster. The canvas work is all in really good shape. Double biminis, spray hood, and then you've got this great, easy to cope with cockpit. Large lazarette aft. Huge amount of space in there, and the main sheet is behind the sailing cockpit, which makes it very easy to manage. The wheels are also a touch of orange, as is the upholstery in the cockpit. Just going to have a look at the pedestals. The driving pedestal is to port. It's running on Raymarine Hybrid Touch. Controls at the pedestal. The bow thruster and engine control is on this pedestal. It's very easy to work. She is actually run by a single skipper with two crew when all the family are on board. And then here is the entertaining cockpit. It's huge, lovely varnished cockpit tables. They fold over so that if you've got lots of people to lunch or dinner, there's loads of space. The port side is refrigerated, and we'll have a look at that. This is all new 2023. There we go. All nice and cool, very nice on a hot day in Palmer. Now we're going to have a look down below. Okay, so one of the things I really love about Bill and Me is the interior woodwork. It's cherry with maple floors. The owners have replaced the leather, and this leather really makes the joinery just pop out. Looks very, very good. So upper saloon, lower saloon. This table unfolds and swivels. A bit more orange through the galley and we're going to walk up to the bow. You can see these watertight bulkheads as we go forward. This is the crew area, of course. And here is the forecastle through this watertight door. Dryer, which is new 2023. Really useful to have a washer and a separate dryer. And then this is the crew head with its own separate shower. All of the joinery detailing is exactly the same as on the rest of the yacht. This single cabin has a pipe cot above, so it's perfect for 2 singles. Lots of space, plenty of storage, really good crew cabin. The AV throughout the yacht was replaced in the recent refit. It's all Panasonic Android. And here is the skipper's cabin, nice double, his own heads compartment with separated shower. If you're sailing her as a family yacht, this can also make a good 4th cabin if you're running with 2 crew. Very, very comfortable. Lots of space to put things. And then we'll just have a look in the galley. She's got a Mealy induction hob, 4 burners. Owners aren't very fond of gas. Quokka, which is really nice. Plenty of refrigeration, microwave of course. This can either be a freezer or chiller. Big refrigeration just there with those stainless steel doors. She's got a dishwasher and also a washing machine next door from 23. These are useful lockers and storage areas. This is great for breakfast or if there are just a few of you. And then up into the upper saloon. Good chart area. There's a new ice maker in that table which folds over. Loads of seating and 2 of the front windows are openers. She's got reverse cycle air conditioning of course, but you can get a nice breeze through when you're at anchor. Now we're going to have a look at the aft section of the yacht. We'll have a look at the guest cabins first. These are mirror image. They're both doubles. There is a pipe cot above, so if you've got little people on board, it's great as a den for 3 small people. Here's heads compartment. Natalie from Berthon, Spain is working the camera, so please wave. Separated shower. Lots of space. Look at these lovely maple floors, they look really cool. And then we'll go over and have a look at the one on to port. Exactly the same pipe cot arrangement. To the left there's a hatch which comes out, it's an escape hatch for MCA. Android TV as with all of the cabins. Another ensuite heads. And separated shower. There we are. The joinery is all in fabulous condition. A lot of updates to the interior in this last refit, just to bring her bang up to date. Door to the engine space is just to your left. We'll come and have a look at that in a little while. So then back into the owner's stateroom. Large centerline double, sofa to starboard, masses of storage, light, bright and airy place to be. This cherry just looks so smart. And then there's a large ensuite heads compartment just to starboard, desk, another Android TV, this is a really nice place to spend time. Just have a look in the heads compartment. Avonite surfaces, as with everywhere else on the yacht. All the mirrors are faultless. Everything's sharp and clean. Electric towel rails, as with the rest of the yacht. And then back through the watertight bulkhead into the main corridor, and then into the engine room. This is a really lovely size for an 82-footer and very quiet. The sound deadening's excellent. Generator to port and to starboard. There are a couple of Onan 22.5 kilowatts and inverter charger just to your left. And here is the main engine. It's a Cummins 305 horsepower turbo. Turbo's been rebuilt, lots of work done to it. There's a Berthon very full propeller which it powers. And then back up into the deck saloon. From this area you can see over a third of the yacht. Bill and Me, Oyster 82, hull number 12. Really smart yacht.